Peace in from the black holes of Dakota Territory, United States of Advertising. Stan Gibilisco here with a request for all of you who view my videos. I received a comment on one of my videos lately that the audio quality is not always the best. Well, first of all, let me make the excuse that I use 3 different devices: an iPad, a Surface Pro 2, and a more powerful computer downstairs, all of which have the ability to be used with external headsets, but they all encounter various audio shortcomings. So when you see a video that I do that has good audio, the best you've heard me do, please leave a comment to that effect. And when you've heard one that's the worst, please leave a comment to that effect too, so that I can gradually learn which ones sound the best to you, my viewers, because after all, that is the purpose of my videos. You are the purpose of my videos. Until next time, Stan Gibilisco signing off and saying, peace out. So long.